Do I need my tires checked? There are a number of factors to consider when it comes to tires. Tires degrade over time depending on factors like weather, storage conditions, and driving habits. Tires wear unevenly. The fronts typically wear faster because they steer and stop your car. Tire rotation means moving tires to different positions in order to help ensure even wear. Tire rotation helps get you the most life from your tires, helps maintain traction, and in the long run, can help save you money. Not rotating your tires may also affect your tire manufacturer's warranty. We recommend rotating tires at every oil change interval, or as recommended by the manufacturer or service technician. For tire wear, you should check your tire treads and remove objects like stones or other debris that may be wedged in the treads. Your tires may have built-in tread wear indicators or wear bars, which look like narrow strips of smooth rubber across the tread that appear on the tire when the tread is too worn. Check the tire, valve stem, and sidewalls for holes, cracks, or cuts that could lead to air leakage. Now, look at your treads again. When the tread starts to measure under 2/16 of an inch, you should look to replace your tires to help prevent skidding and hydroplaning. You can also try the toonie trick. Place a toonie between the tire treads. If the silver ring is completely covered, you're okay. If the tread only reaches the word dollars, it's time to replace your tires. If any of these signs are present, bring in your vehicle for service, as damaged tires are more likely to blow out or fail. Additionally, underinflation is the most common cause of tire failure. A tire can lose up to half of its air pressure and not appear to be flat. Use the recommended cold inflation pressure for optimum tire performance and wear. In general, we recommend tires be replaced after 6 years, regardless of tread wear. And remember, Ford Service is here to help. Call your local Ford service to schedule an appointment with our Ford trained technicians. At Ford Service, every part counts.